Curly! Dirty Curly! Curly, me can't tuck in my belly! Curly, you have elephant in your belly! Curly, if you use the tile, you Curly, you're workless! Because you know, say, I one tribe you have. One tribe dirty Curly. I can't see so you clot you by far. Mind your blood pressure. Curly, mind your drop down. Because you're the honor if you live. Curly, everyone sleep in that house drunk. Drunk everyone sleep in that house. Dirty Curly, move your nasty, stinking, underprivileged woman. Sour crutch yourself and go. Go, your home curse. Your big ass stink like, and that's for you, dirty Tina. We can't sleep. Tina, go pack up your house. Tina, look where you gone to. Tina, look where you gonna live. People, me never tell a lie, so Rampus Sword run out Tina. Rampus Sword run out Tina. Look out Tina, they out here every day. At 2 weeks now, Rampus Sword evict Tina, Tina can't pack. Tina, there you not have no stand, you not have no dresser. Tina, you not have nothing in your house. Then Tina, you couldn't even put something on the chair, them off the floor. Tina, move your country bucket. Tina, where you come from? Tina, you move and look, you couldn't even move in a style. Tina, then Tina, how you move? Tina, you run up and rampant. You run, oh no, move up and go a cloud to no odd. Oh no, could I did keep on backing. I can't see, say. Hey. Oh no shame. Oh no think you can't cuss me. Move up and go. Tina go fix your house. Your workless. Before you pack out your something them. You're nasty and dirty on the door bed. Curly, go change Harry Pampas and name. Go look if anything you need to eat because you're ever hungry. Move up and go. None of them can chat to me. People, no sister, I never not tell a lie. See there, it's there on my page. Tina, come. Tina, down to your camera is the weapon that farm against you. And now come argue with you anymore. I'm going to clown you out. You Curly will take your money and choke a keep partner and don't have nowhere to live tonight. You're in a people house. People house. You're in a Harry house. And it's not because you have to work. You're in a Harry house because you don't have nowhere to stay. I can see say I read the gospel to you. Tina, you cannot sleep. Tina, you could not. Tina, you couldn't do nothing. Tina, 2 weeks now. Rampus Sword if you can nastiness. 2 whole long weeks now, Rampus Sword if you can drunk and you don't have a closet. People write for my page, me I go pin it up. We don't go looking at Tina house where Tina live. We don't go looking at Tina house. Tina, you don't have anything. You don't have no furniture. Tina, you want to contact to me? Tina, you want to contact to me? No, Tina, that no fear. Oh, no, not up. Then Tina look for the mouth. Curly, I look for you. Curly look for you. Curly look for your belly. Curly, you really have the belly there. Walk about come cuss me, Curly. Curly, my belly can't tuck in. Your belly can't do nothing. No. Curly, come show the people them how them pick make your favor drunk. Come show the people them how them pick turn you in a penguin. You don't even have foot for turn up pad. Come show the people them how them pick do you. Curly, dirty, nasty, stinking, underprivileged Curly when don't have no way. Curly, and wood you want you don't have nowhere to take wood. You don't have nowhere, you don't have nowhere to lay a cock. Curly, move from right here. You're too nasty and stink and dirty and workless, you big woman. Oh, not too workless, go on to bed. Tina go pack out your something them and bed and see if you can get some furniture. People, Tina is a scammer. And that's why she talk about Cherokee place because she don't have no furniture. Tina don't have no furniture, people. No furniture. And Tina live a big farm on the walk. Come cuss me. Uno want come cuss me. Uno know how much furniture when me leave, me not even leave with the whole of my clothes them. Uno want come cuss me about furniture. No, God I go beat you know. And that's why Tina, you see, oh, let me tell you something. You know something not supposed to come out and now come back out here and argue with you. I'm not coming back out here, you know. I will just come clown you know, out for the fun of it and read out to the rights. Because you say, you come out, you say you're going to call in. One sore foot, hungry belly, me live under curly. When me live me a tenant, and nobody yard me catching. You never hear me pan a voice note about all of that talk about me back at me have to lift up just to play. No, Curly, just to sleep at night time. Curly, you're too out of order. Uno figure, uno come with Colleen, me say people. Me know the drunk move, you know. Me know the drunk move, but the man no want certain things out because the man a run her down for money. And the man, she live in a Bronx, but the man never sure she live same place in a Bronx. She gone a Boston. Tina Rampa so other come. And that's why Tina out there, that's why she a gone. So that's why Uno can't talk anything about me. So therefore, she come now to she a go to call in for me and upon me. Like none of them know nothing, but she a go to call in. Because they can't manage me. Why you need calling for one sore foot girl? Me alone make you not for the calling. Can't manage me. Can't manage me. The camera say you nasty ass you and turn over. When they turn over, you want to see Tina little bungle them like Tina. Tina you name girl on the run. Don't play with me. Girl on the run, Gloria. Girl on the run. Are you elephant? Curly, we are breed with the elephant. Leave me here. Curly, what is breeding with your uncle Curly? Uncle social media, uncle. Uncle Curly. Uncle Curly. Uncle Curly with the curse home. We carry the criminal. The nasty, stinking, dirty criminal picnic. Curly, you grind in front of CJ and broke CJ foot and turn CJ in a handicap. CJ retarded. Curly, you see how you and Tina have something in common. The two on the picnic and CJ and the two of them workless. Tina, go away because you say you should look somewhere better. Look which part you got. My tent better than that. My tent better than that. Tina, down to the old house where me did live round there, so better than which part me say down there upon the camera. It better. Uno can't tell me say me no live nowhere. Anytime, take it back to the sender. Uno gone right down to nothing no car Curly itch up in a Harry house. Curly, you itch up in a Harry house. You itch up top drugs off Harry. I go report your nastiness. Top drugs off Harry, make Harry can make nice in 9 hours, can work for bite. Harry never workless like you. Harry never see a fee money at Harry Bank. Harry knows him do want somewhere to lie down. Curly, you workless. Tina, no workless. I think me I waste my time for uno come and sister uno done dead already. Uno done doom already. Uno condemn. Uno curse. Uno stagnant. Look which part Tina at this hours of the night. Tina sit down at the live. And Tina move and Tina not done unpack. Tina you workless. You workless Tina they fling you out. Go tell the people them and that's why you texted for me because Rampa Swat. If you did pay your rent, Rampa Swat would put you out. And that's why if you did pay your rent and the next money about picnic, yes, but put up your data. Curly, a case lay Curly a cuss. Because case lay and bigger than my foot. Case lay and bigger than my leg. I'm going to stop so and I chew me a talk. I'm not in a no argument to do no. Don't not get me upset out here no more. I said, I feel so good. The camera is... The web down to Tina camera take them on my side. The Tina your camera give me justice in the night. Your camera give me justice into the night. You go suck out Curly corruption out of Curly belly. When Curly get up this morning and calling over Tina and that talk about my son, why you never go out there go type? Go suck out Curly belly and go suck out the syphilis out of Tina pussy. Go suck on the mama. When you no come on this blood clot, don't tell me when Curly and Tina did over there. When Curly and Tina did over there, should I see a blood clot picture while I go and take it off? When Curly and Tina did over there, hey. Me supposed to clot her and never, people. Me did over upon a platform and if anybody know, and never, when most time when the platform holders, God is my witness. And I talk to no serious now. Always want cuss Tina. I always say no. Leave Tina alone. Leave Tina alone. Leave Tina alone. When Tina thief Sharika money and Sharika come out pan Tina, me was one of them would come out. I get some. I find me say, how much people cuss me. That's me on the platform holder catch up. The platform holder me with side me depan. Me come out and me say Sharika ungrateful because bad to bad at least she did help her. And I never trouble her. Only if you know say this big stinking girl after she thief her father burial money out a bank book. Me never talk to Carol yet. Tina start to curse me one night like now. Me get down later than now. And I look in her phone and I name one bubble gum like when I got name shit. Dirty 13 and Carol. And I said Jesus. And I left her. She never stop. She never stop. Me warn her. Then me get up on me this side and she come out and she meet one woman over here. And she wouldn't give me peace and then me clap back at her. Cause me tell her something, me I know nobody where you play with past social media. Tina calling can't hurt me. Cause me tell you already. Me tell you. My address is Pastor Bloomer dear Weg. Me write it for you. And me go write it when me done 12A. Come here. Me tell you, send somebody come here. And me give you that, me tell you, send some, because you say you know people over here, send somebody come here, I'm a walk per road, I'm a one uno girl. Me just want uno say something to me for outer order. Me will do the stepping. Me will do the stepping. Look which part Tina live and Tina. Then Tina, all when you're out here and I say people imitate your house. And people, then Tina and Curly, come here now. People, me telling you something. Me don't like brag and boast. Worse when time I lose my son. And my sister, me value life more. Me value life more. Because at the end of the day, a good health of people wealth. You can't have big house, you can't have anything. Me not have no mansion. Because me believe in this. But me tell you what my belief in. A parents have a child, you fight with that child. Right now my son dey at work. I'm supposed to depend on him when I come home. Him go to school and him go to work. My daughter reach home already. I believe in this. Spend money, fight and invest in your picking them education and then make them go and work for achieve. So me, build my house for accommodate my kids when them small. That are my belief when picnic big picnic for them on them own. Not like oh CJ Curly put CJ upon him own door. Not like oh Curly abandoned CJ with the jacket father dirty Curly. Nasty underprivileged Curly. Not that way. Me believe and you keep your picking them and them my picking them work and buy where them want. That's all me believe. So me not have no mansion. Me have a roof over my head at Jamaica. Me never want one in a carousel. At that time. You not have nowhere down a yard. When Curly got a yard, people play Curly catch. When Tina go, Tina can only spend 3 days. When me I got Jamaica 3 days go do. When me I got my country 3 days go do. I wanna out there trouble me. Oh no landlord no evict me. I sell round there so sell. I the man you see the owner around there so I must steal my dentist. Me can go in my dentist chair, him and me, and my son, no my daughter. Him and me and my son dentist. So girl, go away. Who no go away, who no coulda call it, I can see a clot to know. Who no coulda call it, who no coulda team up. All you Curly with your cooper, you are concuss people about sickness. Curly, come here. Curly, you know it's only in the morning when I get up and to take my bath, I use the bathroom. Curly. If you name you have a shit, you one try drunk crow. Curly look back, Curly, my belly can tuck in, my big belly and my belly supposed to big legally cut a 5 picnic. You not supposed to have one picnic and feel your belly big like you breed with elephant twin. You're not supposed to breed with elephant twin when you have one son. Curly, look how Ozempic do you come out, come show your body. How Ozempic take off your body up. You never have no body long time. Come show them how you turn. Come show them how Ozempic make you look like when you turn down one old sweep up broom. Curly, you workless. Tina, you workless. Tina, all you know. Tina, you're the only. Tina, let me tell you something. Me can tell you this. In the catch me know no bad mind, me no want to go burn down my house. I know the more lines over here right there. Yeah. Part of that out of me come and extend and finish up that over here. And with no prostitution, work 3 jobs, 2 a day and go sleep with some old lady at night time and get my money. But when me did I sell weed, I wasn't not a big weed seller. Me make sure say me put on a change, me pick them go good school, and I could have did have someone when me leave here, me did have someone when me could have did live in who no have no ambition. So when you come out and talk about people grudge, and you are feeling if I run you out tonight, you don't have nowhere to say you have to go check into a hotel. Tina, you have America. It's a data work list. You have American passport. That's why me no have no passport. Me want to have a roof over my head. Me not catch a nobody yard. 6 months me live do a living work for and leave. Launch out and leave. The money when me can't come here. For carry through immigration and me pay and launch out for myself. No boy no take me off a floor. Me no hike. When me a move, me move. Oh no move up and go. One sore foot girl. And this you call sore foot badness in on a dirty blood clot. One sore foot girl have no work. You know have to keep calling because the truth hurt you. Curly, I can't hear the listen, not even when someone Curly come here. Not even when someone that take 30 seconds angle bangle and triangle your square looking bumbo. You never did feel it so. I could have hear the vexing in you tonight. Curly and Tina. I can see your clot to the Tina. Oh, me, you go make it out here. You know, see when me tell you, no, say Rampa, so I did want red. Bloggers, feel free to take the picture off my page and show it where Tina move Rampaswad run out Tina what? Rampaswad hold on the piss up bed. And Tina floor you sleep and Tina me a Florence and a friend. And bed me in a bed. Tina me no sleep on floor. And if in case me never have the bed, me have my big L couch can sleep in a. My big L couch can sleep in a. Tina, How comes the room? You see the sheet where Tina sleep on the floor. Roll up. Me tell her no say don't play with me. I tell her to say it's me. Curly, I God me say, you deal with that Obia man, cause you come from church and the cousin that tell people say you got Obia them. And prior me I use that win, you know. And the truth, I said, I feel me say, oh no care one sore foot girl. I will no wake on off your team up another colleague. Then on no camera, on the phone is the weapon. Oh no phone, my grandmother all, but me not tell her lie. My granny always said there's no win in war, but me can tell her something. I win, and it was an easy win. I said I did a plan to go live when they come live, you know, and I say, you know what? For the sake of my health, and then the germs there, and I said the camera of Tina say, alright, 13. Alright. And the camera say, see the 13, the girl no live now, and the girl now no more than you. And Curly, she a squeal out like when you wounded pig, like when you pull pig in a Harry house. You have make up night, Mr. Wa make uno squatters bright, so you no pay rent, you no know Harry get in place. You no have no, not even when you deliver, because when you deliver on a Connecticut, cause you owe the man the rent. You never did a shout in the man house. You take sleeping pill, get Harry and go and report you. Nasty Curly and go and report you. Curly, you no can't manage me out here, you know. Because say, guess what? You see, uno a raindrops. I said I feel fun. A super cat that say killing pussy and me kill them for fun. Uno move, uno walk list stagnant bumbo clat and go. Uno walk list at this hour of the night. Tina have the sheet where Tina fall up. People, me not tell you no lie. Tina have the sheet where Tina fall up for go sleep on. And Tina out there cost me because me go call her and password. Tina, me never tell Ram Password for evict you. I did not tell Ram Password to tell her to leave me alone, because in the house you will leave me alone. In a Ram Password house you owe the man rent and I make up nice in there, right? Ram Password knows you owe him, and then the whole heap complain and Ram me tell Ram Password where I go on. Ram Password evict your nastiness. And it make you can't sleep, and it make you come out panic because you never did Ram Password evict you. Go pay man in back rent. And remember to pay your rent now, you hear? And remember to bed and go to your bed. And Tina, I must to tell you now. You know, so the wig where you put on, say you're in trouble, me not tell no lie. That fit you even better than the other wig them where you wear. You need to buy one for your father too. You can continue wearing that and continue doing calling. Continue doing calling, but I don't want you send somebody come or who you have over here. On a senior road, don't step to me. Me will do the stepping. Just say something, and then me will do the stepping. You hear, Tina? And I see you, Miss Curly. Life a beat you already, because bad to bad, Tina gone in a somebody else's house. How she get him in a know? Bad to bad, Curly. Life, Samantha, life don't beat you already. So guess what now? I go and leave you to God, you hear? I go and leave you to God, because if you can think, say, dopey in your house when you are dopey already. I not doing no argument with you know, so no not going to run up my pressure. My pressure is always low. I would not make it, who no care make for me pressure high. No calling, no cussing, no marking can show, because when me they come here, come to you know with the facts, you know. Like Tina, we have to go sleep at Florence tonight. Tina, you know, sister, you below me. Tina, piss pot. Tina, you know, sister, you piss pot the past same category. The lip is a dirty white cloth where you have to go spread out tonight and the on your floor. Tina, you have no girl where them have piss pot the past same category. Can't talk to me. No girl where landlord run out of all house. Cause Tina, you talk about all house. Curly, you see which part Tina did live? My floor round this as much as the house it only look better than that. Look how Rampaswad floor right now Rampaswad a repair in place for rent it. Oh no move up and go and no girl with them a piss pot. Tina, you piss pot the past same category and same level. You can't talk to me because me have be the on bed. Bed. And me have bed for me picnic them. Tina, unlike you when your grand picnic them come, you CJ and your grand picnic them have to sleep for one. But that's why CJ get catch for that for them. Uno move up, uno know I will talk things out here, you know. But I never really come for that. I just come for make uno know say I was enjoying every moment of the calling. When woman said to your Tina, yes, I don't shit. Tina, when woman call you and say, yes, I don't shit. Curly, come here, you nasty stinking iron belly, Curly, at least me need the zinc for be the shit house, but Curly, you are the redundant shit house. You done shit out already. Every man, every Jamaican man, you married again? Curly, you know see, Curly, come here. You know see y'all go with man for married and then run away from you. They run with fry you. Curly, man don't even want you for married to for papers. Curly, man don't even want you for married to for papers. All because you got a catfish the man, the man I think, but then think you have money. And when the man them say you broke, they run it for you. Curly, how much rent you did pay for? When the boy did name, one did name. And when man then did name again, I wouldn't help me. I don't want to help for no. But me can go look up for man. What it man then the two man then the name already the thing there. One of them did that one Spanish name, but me didn't even translate to that English. Ricardo. One of them named Ricardo, yes, because I have two brothers named Ricardo. One of them named Ricardo. And the other one. Then the man there, Ricardo, take you how much rent money. And when you broke, Curly, with your iron front. Curly, we broke dildo. Dildo broke a Curly. Dildo broke a Curly. Curly, where you picking it there? Where you picking it there? He run a cloud yard if I run there in there. And he might hear this. Cloud them not really want him round there. Them don't want him round there. Cause teeth, them tired of you no come because you're bright. Me pick the can go in granny yard anytime he want. The one who they call teeth, but for your own, Curly, can you take the teeth in money? Curly, you are the only parents who travel and never travel with your picnic. Every day you're there where you go, where you can't CJ go. You lock up CJ in a cloud back room like a monkey. Like a monkey. I am enjoying. When you over the while ago in the car, me come now, me I enjoy myself too. We are enjoy. We don't enjoy ourselves out here. Dirty Curly. Now live now a drunk girl. Curly, go away. Curly, you're worse than the birds them because at least the bird them make nest. You're the only somebody who walk and grind and never look that even somewhere where you can go take grind in. Curly, go away.